guys, what's up? It's your boy Coordinaficent back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we are doing Kiss Me More by Doja Cat and SZA. Okay, so this is a very fun song to play, both the riffs and the chords. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to play this for the beginner player, intermediate, and advanced. Just make sure your guitar is in center tuning, put your cap on fret number 1, and the chords are as follows. So first we have an A minor, which is open, open, 2, 2, 1, open, right? And then we go to D, which is open, 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 2, 3, 2. Let me just make sure my 6th string is in tune. I recently replaced that, so right, there we go. Second chord is D, open, 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 2, 3, 2. And then we go to G, which is 3, 2, open, open, 3, 3. And then E minor, open, 2, 2, open, open, open. All right. Principal. A minor, D, and then G, E minor. All right. So my strumming pattern here is down, down, up, up, down, 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 up, up, down, down. Up, up, down, 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 up, up, down, down. Alright, so that whole riff that's going on, we have the same chords, right? So we're gonna be playing A minor. Okay, let me show you how to pluck the strings first for the intermediate player. So we have, for A minor, we're going to pluck strings 5, 4, 3, 2. And then for D, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then for G, it's 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then E minor is the same, okay? Now note, every string that you're plucking with your thumb is the bass, right? So for A minor, the bass is the 5th string. For D, it's the 4th string. And then for G, it's the 6th string. For E minor, it's the 6th string, right? Now I'm mentioning those strings so that you remember them when we're doing the advanced version, right? So for A minor, bass is 5, and then you're going to be playing the B string on the 5th fret and the E string on the 3rd fret, okay? So that's, you're basically alternating, right? So that's 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, while holding your 5th string, right? So, which is the bass for A minor. So A minor, and then we go to D, A minor, D, so A minor, and then we go to G, E minor. So we have A minor, right? So you slide from 5, 3 on 2 and 1 respectively to, so you slide 5th fret of the 2nd string to 3rd fret, right? And then you slide 3rd fret of the 1st string to 2nd fret, right? So that's, which are the notes that you would hold for a D, because now we're going to D. So we have, right, so alternate 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, pluck both on D, and then so pluck, pluck, bass, pluck, pluck, and then you go to G, G, and you're still holding the same notes. Now you're just gonna use 1 for your E minor, so that's, alright, let me just play the song so that I'm sure I'm giving you guys the right notes there. So and then so you have alternate and then pluck alternate again, plug. Now you're just using one string, so alternate, plug, 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 and then alternate, plug, and then this time you're only using the 6th string, the 1st string, sorry. This is still 2 and 1, 2 and 1, 1, and then you have this, which is 7th fret, 2nd string, 6th fret. Is that 7th? 3, 5, 7. Oh, actually, it's 9th fret, 2nd string, 8th fret, 1st string, and then you slide that from 9 to 8, right? And then from 8 to 6, right? So that's, and you're gonna put that in between every set of chords, right? So you have, and then you go, all right? So you have alternate, 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 and then plug, alternate, plug, and then that, I don't know what to call this, but just put that in the end and you have the whole song. So do subscribe to the channel, guys, for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.